guys, MC Gamer Kitty here, and welcome back to Minecraft Pocket Edition. And of course, you've seen what happened in the last episode. If you didn't, this is what you get if you hit your house with flint and steel. You lose it. Well, all I was able to save was all this in my inventory. Don't ask why I decided to save feathers or more flint, because the flint caused it! The flint and steel caused this fire! Surviving items in here. 1 chest, 5 leather, 2 eggs, and a few other things. The rest of it's gone. That's why I put this here. I'll be building it later. Right now I need to sleep. And it's up to you to decide what I build it out of. I'm thinking of building out of stone. Or not using the flint and steel. Certainly not gravel because that could suffocate me, I'm guessing. I lost all my wood from the tree. Not making any more flint and steel. I have 2 pieces, and they're both going away. Never want to see you again. Noises from my cat. Seriously, will you shut up, kitty? Sorry, I'm just mad about my house. Try not to flip out all the time. Trying to flip out. Now I don't know where to build it. Anything else I saved? Wait, no, I don't have strings. In between this, the last episode and the one before it, somehow I lost all of my items in my inventory and couldn't find them. Chicken? Where is he? There you are, and stop trampling my crops. Maybe you can give me another feather so I can make a bow. No feathers, but you gave me meat. Flint and steel is supposed to use as a chicken death trap. So I can easily get rid of the meat, cook the meat, not set my house on fire. I could try to rebuild this area. All that remains is a door, and a few blocks, the furnace, and a chest of surviving items. Wait, I can make do. I can try to. Except I lost literally all my food. Just have a piece of raw chicken and a piece of raw meat. Of raw pork. I need to cook steak. That's all. I'm not taking that button steel anywhere ever again. I'm gonna make do with it. Do I even... Yeah, I do. Sugar thinks I've gotten lost as making maps. Finally find my way back, and then this happens. Sorry you can't see. Maybe you can, but I'm playing this and it's so bright out. See what I can find. I guess the one can be useful for arrows, because I know the recipe. Wood, feather, and stick. It's 4 arrows, but I'll need string, and I'm not ready to turn off to on the side of the house. Find. Or should I relocate my whole house into another area? Or should I do... Yeah, should I rebuild the one that's partially with the rest of it? Or rebuild it? Add more to it? Or should I just find area and build it out of stone? I'm not doing obsidian. I don't feel like going down too deep. And I don't want to die from a lava death. Die a death from lava. I'll switch off until further notice until this is done. Yeah, I've been digging so much there's nothing left. Hate that area. I put my bed up there. I don't have enough ladders. Maybe there's more. When I have 6, maybe I have a few ladders. Wait, I just used the rest of my sticks, didn't I? Hopefully 13 should be enough. Here. Here's what's up here. There's nothing. Nothing, but more trees, but maybe I do it here? No. Maybe? Where's the ladder? It's getting dark again. Yeah, little actually not gonna mess with it. Not right there. This should work. I've done this before. Maybe I should go back. That's a hit. Come on. Oh, I know what to do. Besides kill you. Oh wait, my inventory's full. Putting things in here. And iron, which is basically the recipe for disaster. Hole. Alright, just gonna grab the door. Why do we do that? Oh. Found some coal, which is important. Because I'm low on that, and coal isn't part of the disaster recipe. No, it's just dirt. Hopefully it doesn't. Nothing yet. Nothing much. I didn't go that far. There I have. Hold on.